Welcome back to Auto Show, your go-to place for quick and clear insights into the machines that rule our roads. Today, we are talking about one of India's most iconic commuters, the Bajaj Pulsar 150. Overview. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 has long been known for balancing performance, style, and practicality. It continues to hold its ground as a reliable, everyday motorcycle that still feels sporty enough to enjoy on open roads. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Pulsar 150 is its 149 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, tuned for a smooth blend of power and efficiency. It offers responsive acceleration in city traffic and remains stable at moderate highway speeds. Its trademark throaty exhaust note adds a familiar Pulsar character to every ride. Design and comfort. The design stays true to the Pulsar DNA, muscular tank, sharp lines, and a confident stance. The seat is spacious and well-cushioned, making long commutes comfortable for both rider and pillion. Its upright riding posture reduces fatigue, especially during daily use. Features. The Pulsar 150 packs essential features such as a semi-digital instrument cluster, dependable braking setup, and practical switches and controls. Its suspension is tuned to handle rough city roads with ease, offering a balanced and planted feel. Mileage and practicality. Known for its fuel efficiency, the Pulsar 150 appeals to riders who want performance without sacrificing mileage. Its low maintenance cost and widespread service network make it a dependable choice for students, office commuters, and daily riders. Final thoughts. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 remains a solid all-rounder, sporty enough for enthusiasts yet practical enough for everyday life. It's a bike that's earned its reputation over the years and continues to prove why it's still a favorite on Indian roads. Outro. Thanks for tuning into Auto Show. For more quick reviews and motorcycle insights, don't forget to check out our other episodes.